Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to start our study of areas. Now, areas, of course, is the space inside a particular two-dimensional figure. So, if we have any figure like this, the area is going to be the shape inside. Let's see here. Area is going to be all that space. Now, we're going to start with our basic area. And if we start with, let's say, a square. Square. What is the area of a square? How do I find the area of a square? Length times width. Okay. So let's go length times width. All right. So length times width. Now, the nice thing about a square is that a square has the same length as it does width. So if I have 6 here, then I'm guaranteed to have 6 here. So from there, we're going to take area equals 6 times 6. 36 units squared. Now we say units because it could be feet, could be inches, could be miles, could be whatever. Okay, but we take our square, then the next shape from square, what's similar to a square but is not a square? Yes?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, thank you. Okay, so we got rectangle. Now what's true about a rectangle? Needs to be longer, okay, needs to be longer. So a rectangle is definitely going to be longer in one direction than a square. So I have these two sides congruent. Now remember, these are tick marks. Here you have these two sides are also congruent. So these congruent, these congruent. Now you'll notice square, we haven't really talked through this yet, but we have right angles at all 4 corners. And that's rectangles as well. So squares, rectangles. Area is still going to be length times width. Well, let's go ahead and assume, just like this picture up here, that 6 is the height, or length, whichever one you want to call it. What do you want to call the width? What's a width number that we could use here?
78.
78. 78 would be a lot, but that's okay. We could do 78. Area equals 6 times 78, and you would multiply it together, etc.